THX is charged with violation. Appendix 445 to 613, Index 78.7, drug evasion, malicious sexual perversion, and transgression.
Immediate destruction.
Reject.
On the basis of an Echo TRX 314. Totally incurable chemical imbalance with socially deteriorating consequences.
Reject. Inefficient, unwarranted destruction. Must be saved.
Has allowed these erotics to exist.
Inane. What is the prosecution doing? The records of the defendant affirm that he is of clinic origin.
If society is to free itself of these deviants.
This is not a race issue.
He must be destroyed. We must not continue to consume these erotics. We must exterminate the source of sin. Economics must not dictate situations which are obviously religious.
Mass is won. Defendant used, not destroyed. Case rest.
Prefix THX is pronounced incurable and shall be conditioned and held in detention.